Today, let me take you to Champaner. Welcome to Champaner, the University of Architecture. These bridged structures symbolize the essence of religious harmony. They teach us how to live peacefully. When Hindu and Muslim cultures came together, the Indo-Saracenic style of architecture was born. They say God created man in his image, and men thanked God by building this for him. Champaner is a champion of architecture. It's a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Kalika Mata, lakhs of devotees have been coming here for thousands of years. Breathe in this marvel of architecture, this glorious past. Breathe in a bit of Gujarat.